Once a person has been arrested for committing a crime, one of the first questions they find themselves asking is, do I pay a bail bondsman to get out of jail, or do I hire an attorney? Both of these are important options, but it's far more important that you hire an attorney first, then pay a bail bondsman. There are two main types of bonds used in Indiana criminal cases: surety bonds and cash bonds. Surety bonds are more common and are the type of bond that involves taking 10% to a bondsman to get released from jail. Cash bonds are bonds that are paid directly to the court and are held to ensure that the defendant appears at all future court proceedings. If the defendant successfully appears at all future court proceedings, some or even all of that cash bond may be returned to him at the end of his case. Under certain circumstances, you may even be able to use a cash bond to help pay your attorney's fees. Surety bonds, on the other hand, are never returnable. The money that you give to a bail bondsman belongs to that bondsman. That's how he or she makes his money. With certain limited exceptions, all criminal cases in the state of Indiana are eligible for bond. Judges will often set initial bonds higher than necessary, and attorneys can frequently get those bonds lowered to a more reasonable amount depending on the particular circumstances of your case. Indiana law provides that bonds may only be set in an amount reasonably necessary to ensure that a defendant appears at all future court proceedings and that the public at large is protected from further criminal acts. Nobody wants to be in jail, and I understand the concept of trying to get out as quickly as possible. But if you give all of your money to a bail bondsman, you may get out of jail a little bit more quickly, but you have no money left over for an attorney. If you hire an attorney first, you're guaranteed to have somebody working on your case that will do everything possible to ensure that once you're released from jail, you never have to go back, and can work with you to get your bond lowered to a more reasonable amount depending on what your initial bond is. If somebody that you care about has been arrested, call me immediately at 317-989-1129 to discuss their case and their bond situation. I look forward to hearing from you soon.